Hello, it's Big Chads, and this is the Trading Encyclopedia Daily Education series on my YouTube at Chads Trading. You can find me on Twitter at Big Chads and Bitcoin Live, where I'm a founding analyst. For today's lesson, we're taking a selection from my third book, Trading Quotes, a daily dose of trading wisdom. And it's about how you deal with a big loss, a devastating loss. So if you just had a big loss, walk away. Trying to make it back in the next trade is a recipe for doubling your losses. So what happens after a big loss? Well, we first of all we lose our confidence. We thought we had a good plan, but things went awry. And we can very easily go on tilt because we become flushed with emotion. There might be shame. We can't believe we made a mistake. There could be anger. There could be sadness. We lost money. And now we're thrown off of our game. We're no longer dispassionate and precise with our trading, right? We no longer have any confidence because the only thing you can think about is the decimation. Now, technically, decimation means cutting it into 10 pieces, right? So losing 90% of your bankroll, but decimating, meaning just destroyed, the destruction of our bankroll. And you need to walk away because that's going to help you separate from the pain. If you don't walk away, if you don't take a break, there's no way to step out of that moment and to let that emotion to subside. And you have to find some way to remove the sting, the feeling of those emotions. Because without confidence and without composure, we'll be unable to make it work. And if we try again to make it back with the next trade, we're just going to go on tilt and we're going to double our losses because we neither have confidence, we don't have composure, and we're on tilt. Trying to recover the money right away is going to be a big mistake, right? You need to take a walk, you need to take a break, let the emotions subside, then come back and say, all right, I'm willing to give it another try because I now have another good trading idea and I'm going to manage my risk. Once the emotions have been reduced, once they've been lessened, you can come back, you can try again with a good plan and knowing when your trading idea fails. So this is one of my favorite quotes from my book, the third book, Trading Quotes, which is available on Amazon. Check me out on Twitter at Big Cheds. You can find me as well on Bitcoin Live, where I'm a founding analyst. And this is part of the Trading Encyclopedia Daily Education series on my YouTube at Cheds Trading. Thank you, folks. Talk to you soon.